All right, so we've reached the finish line. Fantastic. Congratulations to you. If you're watching this video, that means that you've settled your case or you're on the cusp of settling your case. Either way, congratulations. I know it's probably been a long journey for you. These cases, they never go as fast as you really want them to. You want the pain to go away. You want this to be done. You want to put it behind you. I completely understand that. And so this is a big moment for you. I understand that. So congratulations to you on getting it done. I would say it's something to celebrate because it's done, but I'm sure that if you could do it all over again, you would erase this from your memory and it wouldn't happen. So I know that the situation as a whole, not something that you want to celebrate, but when it comes to this chapter in your life and putting it behind you, I'm sure it's something that you are excited about being done with. But let's talk though about the settlement, and let's talk a little bit about the process going forward. Make sure, as always, watch all the videos on this page. Make sure you also go through the checklist items because that's all valuable. It's going to help speed up the process. Sometimes this can be a long process. I'm just going to tell you about that. We have to do a lot of verification when it comes to liens, when it comes to medical bills, when it comes to just wrapping everything up. We may still be negotiating your medical bills, and so that can sometimes take some time. What can also be frustrating, and it's frustrating for us as well, is getting the settlement check. For the most part, don't have issues getting it, but sometimes it's a pain. I don't know what happens on the other side because at that point it's out of our control. It can get really frustrating. We've had to file lawsuits about just getting the check in before. By the way, it's not common, but I'm just telling you, it is a frustration. Sometimes I think things just fall through the cracks on their end, even though we're constantly following up with them. They'll send the check to the wrong place or they'll issue the check to the wrong person. I've seen it all at this point, but I'm just letting you know it's not typical. I'm just letting you know that sometimes that does happen and it can be a pain. And if it does happen, I'm sorry. We work as quickly as we can to get those checks in. Okay, just letting you know. But if you go through the checklist items on this page, that will help at least streamline things on our end. That way we can get the check to you as quickly as possible. What happens is that if we're still negotiating those medical records, those bills, then what we'll do is we'll get all those finalized. We're doing that to put more money in your pocket. Once the check comes in, it'll go into the trust account. Once it goes into the trust account, once we have all that resolved, then what we'll do is we'll be able to release that check to you. We'll pay all the providers. If there's any lien holders, and what I'm talking about when it comes to lien holders, I'm talking about it could be medical providers. It could also be child support liens. It could be Medicare. It could be Medicaid. It could be a variety of different sources. If you have a bankruptcy going on, then we'll have to pay them back as well. If you had a case loan, it's another type of lien, and we'll have to pay that back as well. So we'll make sure we pay all those out, give a check to you, and you will be on your way. And so that is generally the process. There's some other videos that I'm going to talk about when it comes to the settlement process. This is just a general overview. That's typically how it's going to work. Hopefully it goes as quickly as possible for you, and we'll be able to get that check in your pocket as quickly as possible. But if you do have any questions about that, obviously give us a call and we will be happy to talk to you about it. 888-550-4026. I've said it so many times in so many videos at this point, you probably already have it memorized. Also, you can email us or text us, whatever is easier for you. All right, hopefully this is helpful for you. Have a great day and congratulations again.